Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk in detail about why gold and silver price are rising so far and what is happening in the global economy. Recently, gold and silver touch record high level. Gold across $4,600 uh, per ounce for the first time ever. Silver also moved very fast and went about $84. This sudden rise is not normal. It is happening because the world situation is becoming more uncertain. Global tensions and fear. So, first, let us talk about geopolitical tensions. Right now, there is serious unrest in Iran. There are fears that these problems may not stay limited to one country. Many believe this could turn into a larger regional conflict when there is a risk of war or conflict. Financial market become a nervous. At the same time, US President Donald Trump has made strong warnings. These statements has increased fear in the global markets. Whenever there is a fear, investors stop talking risk. Investors stop taking a risk. Instead of stock or risky assets, they move their money into safe assets, and the safest assets are gold and silver. Third point is concern about the US Federal Reserve. Now, let us talk about another very important reserve. The US Federal Reserve is the most powerful center bank in the world. It is expected to work independently without political pressure. But recently, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell revealed that the central bank is facing political pressure. This news shocked the markets. If the Federal Reserve is not fully independent, so then its decision on interest rates and inflation may be affected. This create uncertainty and loss of trust in the system. When investors lost trust in financial institutions, they again turn towards gold and silver. Another major reason is the US economy slowing US. There is a clear sign that the US economy is showing down. Growth is weak, spending is falling, and businesses are becoming careful. Because of this, many people believe that the US Federal Reserve may soon cut interest rates. Why interest rate matter? Now, you might ask, why do interest rate affect gold and silver? When interest rates are high, people prefer banks and bonds. But when the interest rates are low, returns from banks become less attractive. Golds and silvers do not give interest, but during a low interest rate, they become more valuable. That is why Expectation of rate cuts are pushing prices high. Why gold and silvers are winning? So, let us quickly summarize global conflict and fears, tension in the Middle East, political pressure on the US Federal Reserve, showing a US economy slowing slowing US economy, expectation of interest rate cuts, all these factors are working together. Because of these, investors across the world are buying gold and silver heavily. This strong demand has pushed price to record high. What happened next? Experts say that as long as uncertainty remains, gold and silver price may stay strong. However, markets can change quickly. Everything now depends on global events and economic decisions. That's all for today's video. If you want to more news videos and so you share you like this video, share this video and subscribe my channels. Thank you for watching.